Hey y'all, how you doing today? Hey, it is Thursday, December 3rd, and this is In Case You Missed Psychology. So, I'm not going to go through any slides today or anything fancy or anything like that, but I wanted to make sure everybody understood what we were doing today as I mess with my hair nonstop. So if you're watching this, that means that you missed class today for some reason, and that's okay. Hope you're well. Hope those around you are well. And, hope you're holding it together. Okay. So today we really kind of did two things, and I'm going to kind of show you both of those things. Hopefully you were with me yesterday or watched the video yesterday on the Dream Project and how that works, because what we're going to do today is we're going to get started on that by writing our first in-class journal. And so if you're going to operate, I had a couple good questions yesterday. People asked me if they could work in a notebook and hand it in a pen and paper form. And I said, sure. So if you're going to do your first journal like that, you might want to get that ready to go. Okay. If not, what I did is I created a folder in my psychology stuff called Dream Project, and I have my in-class journals. Now, yesterday when I gave you guys the example, as it slowly loads, I was telling you guys about the personal thing. I'm going to get rid of that. But today is the 3rd, and it's going to be in-class journal number 1. So I'm going to just kind of magnify this for you. In-class journal number 1, and then today's shortened topic is going to be ideal place. Now, the longer version of things, as I kind of set my stuff back to right here, is what I want you to do is you're going to write for 8 minutes today. And your topic is going to be to describe an ideal place you'd like to be right now. Money and travel are no object. You snap your fingers and you're there. Okay. And so describe an ideal place you'd like to be right now. Why would you like to be there? Who would you like to be with? And what would you like to be doing? And what you're going to do is you're going to take your phone or one on your computer, and you're just going to kind of start an 8-minute stopwatch. And you're going to write for 8 minutes about someplace that you would like to be. Now, if you find yourself after like 3 or 4 minutes going, "Ooh, I've pretty much covered this," write about a second place. Okay, so you're gonna go, okay, someplace I'd like to be right now. I'm gonna start my stopwatch, boop, and then you're just gonna start typing, and boom, boom, boom. And when you hit 8 minutes, you're gonna call it done. Now, do remember that if anything in there is something that you don't want me to read, that you can write the word personal at the top of it, and I will not look at that when I am going through the grading. Okay, but have a little fun with it. Be honest with yourself. Think about it. Where would you want to go if you could go anywhere? Money's no object. Travel time is no object. You just snap your fingers and you're there. Or maybe 2 places. Okay, so that was the first thing we did. Obviously, we did trivia, and then we did that. And then if you go into Classroom, you will see that, that I assigned a new assignment for you. And what it says is, here's our first assignment in our unit on the brain, body, and behavior. It will give you a brief overview into how the central and peripheral nervous systems work. After reading through the article, please answer the 4 questions with complete, well-written sentences or paragraphs. And then there is a doc that looks like this. Now, listen, the reading looks long, but that's partially because I broke it up into headings to make it make more sense. I bet it would be 3 pages long if it wasn't for all my headings. Okay. So you're going to read through and talk about the central and peripheral nervous system and the different breakdowns of the nervous systems, some diagrams along the way, some things about the brain, the spinal cord, the peripheral nervous system, the breakdowns of that. Okay. And then there are 4 questions at the very end. They're kind of practical application type questions. At least 3 of them are. One of them is just kind of straight up definitions. But you're going to have to give me some examples. Now, this is going to be due, if you look in the classwork thing, it says it is due December 8th, which is next week, Tuesday by midnight. Last reminder before I let you guys go today, that if you owe me any work, if you owe me the Chapter 2 test still, please do your best to be getting that into me as quick as you can. I am correcting at a furious rate, trying to give you good feedback, trying to get things back to you. So again, write the 8-minute journal, ideal place you'd like to be right now, and then get to work on this introduction of the nervous system assignment. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Yes, I can talk. And otherwise, have a great day. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.